Hi, welcome to the next video in this series. We're now on move number 7 of the Shibashi Qigong form. So again, just a quick little recap so we can begin to tie all these movements together. We've looked at raising the arms, opening the chest, painting the rainbow, separating the clouds, rolling the arms, rowing the boat, and now we're going to be lifting the arm in front of the shoulder or lifting the sun in this way. So this one, very simple again. The feet about shoulder width apart, feet facing forward, as we've just completed the last movement. So we've been rolling in this way, bringing the hands together. We will inhale and twist the body. Inhale and twist the body down. Okay, so from this position, this is going to be my right hand lifting. So we're lifting and we're twisting to the left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, so we're getting the twisting of the waist and the hips as we rise, raising up to the ball of the foot. That's activating the bubbling spring acupuncture point in the ball of the foot. As we reach up, sink down, rising up, breathing in and breathing out. So we're also getting the movements of the shoulder and the elbow as we reach up. So the palms facing the top, facing the ceiling, sorry. And then as we sink down, the arm twists and back. As we reach up, begin to twist the waist, pushing from the back foot, raising up, palm facing the ceiling and down. Okay, so we can just practice that a few times. Breathing in and breathing out. Keep this continuous, so breathing in and breathing out as you come down. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. So the idea is we lift in internally, we can think that we're holding a ball or balancing a balloon on the end of the hand. So just nice and gentle, we watch that lift. And then as we come down, imagine that you're pushing, trying to hold a balloon underwater. So there's that slight bit of resistance as you rest. So again, raising up, twisting on the ball of the foot, raising, holding the ball, and then sink down this way. And raise up and down, as if you're pressing gently down on the ball. Now, the hand that stays down, it's an acupuncture point here where the finger and thumb meet, and also one on the side of your buttock. So as we're raising up, this time we lift up, and then as we drop down, the opposite hand, as we're lifting with the left, the right is then coming in line with the buttock. So this is the gallbladder channel, helps to smooth that. Over there, and then we sink down. And then the same with the opposite side. So we're just aligning this point with the buttock. As we breathe in and down, breathing in and breathing out. Also, we've got some hand-eye coordination with this. So the eyes will follow the hand as it raises up. As we sink down, and then we change, begin to look at the left hand. We breathe in, we breathe out. Okay, so this is good for mental health, physical health, exercising the shoulders, relaxing the chest. Good for digestion and the kidneys with this twisting. The acupressure points help smoothing the gallbladder channel. Breathing in. Again, nice and relaxed. Even though we talk about lifting, it's more of a mental, internal feeling of lifting, of raising. Twisting the hips, twisting the body, raising up in the crown, straightening the legs this way. But we're always keeping that sort of 80% rule. We're not going very straight and that overextending everything. Everything's done with the moderation. Out. Even the fingers are slightly curled, the hands slightly cupped, so we're not pressing and stretching to the full degree. Just remaining nice and relaxed as we reset. Breathing in and breathing out. Other visualizations you could use is your problems, your troubles, just throwing them away. And breathing in and breathing out. So just getting rid bad feelings, inhaling positive energy in this way. Okay, so that's holding up the sun. The attention also will be in the center of the palms as well as you continue this movement, and we're making this connection here. So a nice simple movement, tons of benefits again. And when we consider that combined with the other benefits of the other movements that we followed, it's quite a powerful set of exercises. All very simple, all low impact, can be done in a confined space, no extra equipment needed. So yeah, if you find this useful, again, like, subscribe. I'd like to hear some comments as well. And stay safe. Yeah, look after yourselves and each other. It's a good decision to start paying attention to your body, taking care of your well-being, because that's the best way you can take care of other people. Once you're in a good state of health, then you can help the people around you as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.